Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find out work hour in Excel. Okay, so here you will see I have created a list here: weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, then here you will see start time and end time and work hour. Okay, now we have to find out the work hour. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to just format the cell of in time. Okay, this the cell should be formatted in time. Okay, so what you have to do, so here you have to just select the cell. Okay, then go to format and format cells here, then go to time, then select whichever time you want. So I want this time. Okay, this, and then you have to just click on OK. Now if I enter any time here, okay, as I want to enter 8 o'clock, now you will see this is the time, and end time if I enter 20 or 16. Okay, now here you will see it is 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. Now to find out the work hour, what you have to do here, you have to again select the cell. Okay, then go to format cells, and again click on time, and I want this. Okay, click on OK. Now to find out the time, what you have to do, just equals to this minus this. So this is 8 hour work. Okay, total work hour is 8. So like this you can find out work hour in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.